Build a word list for your puzzles. Once you have chosen a topic, the next step is to build a list of related words. For example, if your theme is Christmas, you might include words such as Santa, snowflake, or carol. Aim for words of different lengths to make the puzzles more engaging. One of the easiest ways to create word lists is by using ChatGPT. Let's head over to ChatGPT and see what topics we can add to a Christmas-themed puzzle book. In the chat box, type this prompt. Give me a list of 25 Christmas-related topics like Christmas holidays, Christmas decoration, Christmas Eve, etc. Notice that we've included a few examples in the prompt. This helps ChatGPT generate answers that are more closely aligned with the topic we're looking for. After running the prompt, ChatGPT provides a list of Christmas-related topics or categories. Copy this list and paste it into Notepad. Save the file. Next, we need to generate word lists for each of the topics. Let's start with the first one. Mark the topic, then use this prompt. Create a list of 20 words related to Christmas decoration. Copy and paste the prompt into ChatGPT, then click here. ChatGPT will generate a word list based on the given topic. Copy the generated list and paste it into your notepad, placing it under the topic you selected. Now move on to the next topic. Simply replace the previous topic in the prompt with the new one. Paste the prompt into the chat box and press Enter. Then copy the results and paste them into Notepad, just like before. Repeat this process for all the topics. Make sure each list is placed neatly under its corresponding topic. This way, you'll build organized word banks for your puzzles. Once you've collected enough words across multiple topics, you're ready to move on to the next step. Let's watch the next video.